Huh. These statistics are pretty good.
Susie!
What's wrong?
Sue, you have to tell Roger to behave! He is calling me names!
What? Wait a second. That's not like him at all.
I drew him a dinosaur Minecraft style and he called me a cubist.
Sammy, cubism is a style of art. You know, when the stuff on the pictures is kind of drawn in shapes, like cubes.
I see. Wait, but I was drawing in pixels. Does that make me a pixelist?
Why don't we try and go make your dinosaur alive?
Let's go! Woohoo!
Just check this out. It's a lot of cubes, huh?
Holy cannoli! Sue, is it what I think it is?
A magnetic construction kit!
Whoa! You should definitely ask your parents to get you one, guys, because it's so much fun to play with!
Oh, what a strange feeling! But let's get back to business. Today this kit will easily help us make a few cute dinosaurs pixel style. And the famous T-Rex will be the first one.
It's always more comfortable to start from the bottom and gradually move upwards.
Exactly. So this is what your first step should look like. 4 cubes for each leg. Then we go up, putting 2 and 2 cubes. And here as well. I'm using different color cubes just so you can clearly see where they should go.
But you can use any colors you want, guys. Just get creative. And don't forget to subscribe.
And the legs are done. You see, guys? Nothing complicated so far. Sammy, tell us, why did you decide to draw a dinosaur anyway?
Here's the thing, Sue. Roger and I got into an argument about which dinosaur would have beaten a robot. Naturally, I said it would be a T-Rex. It had the sharpest teeth of all. And he was just huge, you know?
Uh-huh. And what did Roger say?
That if the robot we were talking about was able to fly, T-Rex would have never caught it.
Oh, yeah. Boys and their arguments. Did you know that many scientists today consider chickens the closest relatives of dinosaurs?
What? Are you serious?
Yup. Fossil studies have shown that birds actually descended from 2-legged dinosaurs. And that the DNA of the once most dangerous predator T-Rex has a lot in common with that of a modern chicken.
Shiver me cheddars! Kentucky Fried Dino, anyone?
And these guys are gonna be our dinosaur's arms. And finally, we've come close to his teeth. Not so sharp, though.
Susie, I've been thinking, if the birds are the closest dinosaurs' relatives, why do people still call them saurians or the ancient lizards?
Well, because they just look alike. Actually, dinosaurs have many descendants, like lizards, crocodiles, and turtles. And at a closer glance, all of them do look alike.
I see. Yeah, there's a lot to think about.
In the meantime, our T-Rex is ready. Now I'm gonna show you how to make my favorite dinosaur, Stegosaurus. Let's make a piece 6 cubes by 3 cubes in size.
Aren't you talking about the kind of dinosaurs that had a sort of mohawk on their backs?
You're right. They had kite-shaped plates upright all along their spines and a few spikes on their massive tails. All that was saving the vegetarian Stegosauruses from predators.
Wow, they sound like rock stars! Guys, give us a thumbs up if you're into dinosaurs as well!
This kind of looks like a crocodile. And we need one more layer here.
Stop! Wait, Sue, can I build it, please?
Sure, Sammy, here you go.
Wow, thanks! This should be right here. Because of that magnet effect, it's like the dinosaur builds himself up.
You don't say. Oop, 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 oop. Oh, I guess this should be on the other side. Here we go. This is gonna be a strong tail, guys. And we'll use these beige cubes to indicate the spikes on it. Hey, where are you going, buddy?
Awesome! Only his head and legs are left.
That's true, but I also want to try one thing.
What is it, Sue?
Sammy, there is a big block in the kitchen cupboard. Could you bring it here, please?
I'll be right back!
In the meantime, guys, check out our Stegosaurus.
Sue, Susie, you could have warned me that the big block is kinda heavy. Ugh.
You're right, I'm sorry.
What's that thing anyway?
It's a monster magnet! Remember, I said I wanted to try one thing? I'm really interested to see what it will do to our magnetic dinosaurs.
Shiver me cheddars! I have to record that!
So, are you ready, guys? Here we go!
That was mesmerizing! I could watch them falling apart forever! I hope that didn't sound too cruel. Susie, let's rebuild our dinosaurs and do that magnet thing again!
Oh, I love that process too! But why make the same dinosaurs? There were so many species of them on Earth. Let's try to make a different one this time.
I know! I'm gonna rebuild a T-Rex and a Stegosaurus myself! But guys, please don't tell Susie about that. Let it be a surprise. Deal?
Hey, Sammy, what are you doing back there? Don't you want to see what dinosaur I'm making here?
Let's see. Apparently he is going to have 2 legs. I would say that you are up to 1 more theropod.
Wow, I see that somebody boosted up their knowledge.
One interesting fact for you. This guy over here is called a tuatara lizard. Those reptiles are native to only New Zealand and have been around ever since dinosaurs.
No kidding, I bet. It's cool to have such a big and basically ancient family tree. They must have been living on our planet for like 200 million years.
250 million, actually. And they are vulnerable to extinction, so let's keep them safe, people.
This is what we've got, guys. It looks like this little fella saw something interesting and turned his head.
I promise that you're gonna see something interesting as well. Stay tuned!
We almost forgot about one more very popular kind of dinosaur, the flying kind. I'm gonna take the cubes of another color just to make our future pterodactyl look more beautiful. Now we'll use some magic to mirror this part over here. And voila! The 2 wings are ready. By the way, guys, do you know where Sammy is? I haven't seen him for a while.
Did you miss me?
Sammy, where have you been?
Let me show you something, Sue. Are you ready? Ta-da! I've made them again, and now we have 3 dinosaurs. Ha-ha!
Great job, but actually we have 4 of them. Oop!
Holy cannoli! That guy is so cool! Am I right, guys? Then give our pterodactyl a dozen thumbs ups! Are we done, Sue? I can't wait to play with the monster magnet again!
I know, Sammy, me too. But don't you want to be able to play with it longer?
I guess.
Well then, let's keep going. This is going to be another 2-legged dinosaur. Interestingly, all upright dinosaurs had really small front forelimbs, which weren't exactly useful.
But on the other hand, due to their strong legs, they could run really fast. And that was good for both the predators and those who would run away from them.
That's right! 1 and 2.
What an interesting choice of color, Sue! Are you making some kind of fashionista from Jurassic World?
You could say that. This dinosaur had a big collar all around his head. And whenever he felt danger, he'd open that part of his body, just like a shy lady at a ball would open her lacy fan.
Hello! You are very pretty! I think it's a girl, Sue! Come on, don't be shy! I'll introduce you to the others!
In the meantime, guys, we've got a few magnetic cubes left. This should be enough to make one more prehistoric creature.
What dinosaur are you making this time, Sue?
This is going to be something snake-like. I mean, we've already made a flying reptile, a T-Rex, and a few walking and running ones. Let this one be a water dragon.
Whoa, that sounds pretty amazing! I can't wait to see the result!
This time we've started from the dinosaur's head, guys. Hop. We're almost there.
And after 100 years, when they grew old and gray, they finally finished their craft. How much longer?
I'm finishing already. Hey, don't you think that this little guy looks like Mushu, Mulan's friend? And that's it! Phew! Now that's what I call a well-done job. Let's take a minute to look at all of our dinosaurs, guys.
And then we'll crush them! Yay! Both playing with a construction kit and a monster magnet! Did you love it, guys? Then give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe!
Thank you for being with us today, guys! We'll see you very soon in our next video. Bye-bye!